Hi guys, welcome to the homework channel. In this video we are going to see how to design a resume template in the PowerPoint. I have been using the Microsoft Office 2016. It is a well-versed featured one. I want you to be the minimum requirement to Microsoft Office 2013 will be a good one for creating the resumes. If you don't have one, don't worry, there will be a PowerPoint online version available in the Microsoft site. You can access only via the Outlook account, which is Gmail like Microsoft. Okay, now we are let's move on to the design of what template we are going to recreate. This is the template I have done for the presentation purposes. Now let's recreate it. Head on to the file, click new, and the blank presentation. We don't need these text boxes, so go to the layout and give it a blank. The resume has to be in the size of the A4 sheet, so we need to resize it in the A4 sheet, and the orientation has to be in a portrait position. Okay, head on to the design tab, slide size, custom slide size, and the sheet of A4 paper and the orientation of portrait. Click OK and make sure it's mentioned. Okay, the slide has been resized. Next let us draft the design in the newly blank presentation with the shapes. Okay, most of the shapes we have used are the rectangles, so it will be an easy job to do. Click on the rectangle icon, click on the top left and drag it. This is the yellow rectangle you have seen under that basic template. Right click on the format shape to change the color and the border of the shape. We don't need the border, so give it a no line, and the fill has to be a solid fill and the color of yellow, a light yellow. So next step, we are going to create a shape like this, a rectangle. Click on that rectangle, hold the control button in your keyboard and drag it so the shape is being duplicated. Resize it according to your wish. Before arranging it in its position, change the color to a darker gray, not a black one. Because on printing, the black color takes so much of time to print and the paper gets whirly kind of things. Okay, next we are moving to the pick holder and the frame for your name, and this time also a rectangle. I think we are resize some more, but okay, it's good. And position the rectangle. Oh, it's in the right center of it. Okay, it is too big, so I can take its size, and it should be of white color with no border line. Don't worry guys, I will tell you how to put your image in that rectangle on the further part of the video. Okay, now just click on, hold on the control in your keyboard and drag the shape, duplicate it, so we can convert the shape into a border for that pick holder frame. Okay, in this give it a no fill, and the frame has to be of solid line with the color of white. You can give the gradient lines also. The line it will be of 5 points. Okay, now drag that into its position. Okay, it's well, but I think it is just a little bit misaligned, so control both, select both the shapes. For instance, control both the shapes and go to the format, align and center. Okay, now just position it, and in this frame we are going to extend its bottom for the name holding. You can align it as per your name length. Okay, it is done. Next we are moving to the header point. It is of the topics which will be nominated in the in your resume. Okay, to the blank. Rectangle shape should be of no line and of darker gray. We should use the same colors so it won't be colorish or resize it. For the area of interest, this tab is for the area of interest. This is to promote your resume, and the user and the opposite person will notify your area of interest. The area of interest is the main thing in your resume. Okay, we are done so far part. This will be these things will be based on the contents you are going to insert in it. This will be taken part in the content insertion video. Okay, heading on. You have seen some of the shadow effects in this template. Now let's just add it. Click on the shapes. Hold down the control button to select multiple shapes. Okay. Go to the effect options, shadow, and do a drop shadow. Make the blur a bit and the transparency lower so that the shadow will be more visible. The shadow wants to have a more distance on the sides, you can increase it. See, but it is working. Okay, it is getting more fancy. And click on these both shapes. I haven't filled with the effects, but now because in this the shadow has to be of a bit darker one and a more blurrier one, so that it will have an elevated effect in it. Okay, that's all guys. Now we have done for the template. Next video we will be seeing the contents insertion. Thank you.